Hi guys.
Ay mga kabanas.
Dito kami bumibili kami ng fruit tea.
May motivation for buying fruit tea. Is that I am memorizing my speech
Yes, he's memorizing his speech for
applying job.
that
That
will give me
will give me a long-term relationship.
Hindi, mali. Long term, ano yan?
Long-term advancement. That will give me
Ay, kodi ko guys.
a long-term career opportunity. A financial stable job, a workplace wherein I can showcase my skills to make a positive impact at work. Also, a job that can give me flexibility and work-life balance, career growth and advancement.
Advancement. At update namin kayo, Mike. Update ka namin kayo mamaya. Go! Hi guys! Video na po siya. Yan po yung look ng ating makeup. ng ating artist. Ayan. So guys, kanina nakaputi siya. Para siyang doon, dugyot. Pero ngayon, lumabas na yung pagkaputi niya. Nice! That's nice.
Lumabas ang aking dugong ariba.
Yes, dugong ariba. So, magbibideo na siya guys. Good luck. Ano ba? Natatawa siya guys. Sabi niya, gusto mo isang take lang eh. Wow.
Nagpapatawa kasi.
Di ka nagpapatawa. Mainit, bilisan mo. Ano ba? Bubuksan ko muna electric fan.
Wag.
Go. Game na.
Hit lang kasi ako pipindot.
Ay, check. Go!
Mag-internet.
Bilis na!
Hit lang, higit lang.
Na kaagad guys, wala pa nabibidyo. I go. Ano si baby boy?
Go mo na me.
I go. Go na ni.
Yes.
Electric fan off.
Electric fan off. Camera rolling.
3, 2, 1. Action.
Fight!
Kasi naman mag-practice ka muna. Mag-practice ka muna. Bilis na.
Hi, I am Albert Atu. Wala kasi tumawa.
Sorry.
Ganun ka. Para malaman ko saan ikakat.
Bilis na.
Tututo.
Ikaw pawisan ako eh. Ako ang director dito eh. Sige na.
Hi, I am Albert Atu. I am a fly. Cut pre. Cut pre.
Cut.
Yun na, action.
Shot. Guys, cut muna, cut.
Hi, I am Albert Atul. I am applying for Engineer 2 Technical Writing position at Vertib. I am seeking for a long-term career opportunity, financial stable job, a workplace wherein I can showcase my skills to make a positive impact at work. Also, a job that can give me flexibility, work-life balance, career growth, and advancement. Mali kasi